Hi, I'm Jeff, founder of LongerArm pool wall brushing fulcrums, and this is the beaver tail model. The beaver tail is lightweight, flexible, and tough, and it is designed to be comfortably immobilized on your deck when standing on it with 1 or 2 feet when it serves as a fulcrum for wall brushing. It has a super slippery fulcrum ring that allows your pole to slide easily upon it, applying optimum brush pressure as you brush your walls below. You can even brush effectively during both push and pull strokes. No other method accommodates an effective pull stroke, so bumps, crevices, and irregularities are often missed when brushing in one direction only. All of this with minimum effort, twisting, turning, and bending. There is no easier, more effective way to brush walls. I'll be brushing the deep end wall, and I usually adjust the brush handle up to just about my chest in order to do that. And then once I've got it adjusted, I'll take a beaver tail and I'll slip it over the end of the pole with the non-skid surface down. Place it on the deck. Secure it with 1 foot, and notice where the ring is. It's very close to the edge. And I'll put 1 foot very close to the ring and push out on the pole. And when I do that, it's pushing the brush in down at the bottom, and then simply raise and lower the pole. And I'm really getting a good brushing stroke now, really good contact on the wall with the brush. You'll see in a demonstration to follow extensive brushing and how much pressure the brush is putting on the wall. To move the beaver tail to the next brushing position, I usually use one of 3 methods. The 1 foot slide method, the brush lift method for getting over obstacles, and the brush slide for moving around obstacles. I'll demonstrate those now.